Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be packing orders today and all that good stuff. But first, make sure you like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you know when me, post another video. Oh yeah, don't forget to comment down below. So today, like I said, I will be packing an order today. And I'm going to have to cut this up. This is going to be in a small little box. So I'm going to have to cut this up and make sure that it's fitting right. And all that good stuff. I hate when these scissors do that. But we're going to cut it on up. Like, why are you doing this? Anyway, we're going to just do it like this. Because it's taking up my time. I didn't even have to cut it. But this is how I should have did it, like this. And all that good stuff. But anyways. Where's my box? I'm going to be doing these. Packing these orders with this box right here. But I forgot how to do my own box. I got these boxes from Amazon. If y'all would like to know where I got these boxes from, I got them from Amazon. And this is how small they are. Right here. Make sure you got enough room to do what you need to do. Put what I have. I mean, probably about like, I don't know. But this is what I got. Okay, so I'm going to just go ahead and pack the order. Again, I have this right here. I have this, and it's going out. Okay, I'm going to take the bracelet thing out of here. I'm going to take it up out of here. I already took the plastic off my out. Then I'm going to stick this on here. So it'll be like this again. And then I'm going to go on ahead and put this on in there. I don't have my cards or nothing because I don't have any. I have to make some more or get me some made and stuff. So I'm going to put this over in here. So it'll be like this. Put it over in there. Oh, I forgot to put my confetti stuff in here. Let's put, spread it out. So it will look like this. And then I'll put it on top of here. I would put some more in there, but no, I'm not going to do that. And then I'm going to just close it up. So that's just one of them. I'm going to be putting it in here. And I'm going to seal that up after a while. Okay, and now it's the lipstick. And it has, if y'all can see, it has lips on it. This one got lips on it. This is the one I will be packing up as well. So, I think I'm going to do a bubble mailer. I mean, the bubble thing. Okay, so I decided to put it in here. Decided to put it in here. And I have this little bubble mailer that I can stick this down in. And all that good stuff. And we're going to close it on up. And I'm about to print off the label so that I can get it out to them. But I know what I'm about to do is put the please handle with care fragile stickers on here. About to go ahead and do that. Then I'm gonna just go ahead and this thing gets on my nerves. Just get off of me. Close it up just like that. So it's closed up. And do the other one the same way. So now what I'm about to do is go ahead and I'm about to do it on my phone. Do the shipping label and then put it on the packages because I don't have no other access to what I'm doing. So these are the packages that I'm ready to get ready to ship out. And well, I can't ship them out. Why? Because people's is playing on my business account, well, my website, and they're giving fake addresses. So whoever ordered the lipstick and ordered the bracelet, I need the address, right address, not no fake address, because this is crazy. But yeah. Okay, so now I'm about to make a shirt for this person. And all that good stuff. I have these right here. I have these. There's different ones in here. And for men's, I have this one. This one. I have these two. I have these. I have these. And I made these by myself. I have these. I have this one. Then one's for men's. And I have these right here. I made this myself. And it says, I'm returning your nose. I found it in my business. And this is what I got. But I don't know if I showed you, but I have this and some more back here. Then I have these right here. This was my logo. And this one was the back for the back, so the front and the back. But I'm going to be doing this one right here on a red shirt. So we're going to go in the other room and get it started. Okay, so what we're going to do is turn it on. Oh, hold on. Okay, so we're gonna turn it on, and I got it at 365. Like I said, we're using this, and we're going to be using this red shirt right here. Red shirt. And we're gonna take this off of here. And I got my parchment paper, but when this done heating up, I'm gonna put it on here so I can get some of the moisture out of this, and then we're gonna get started with the shirt. Okay, so it's ready. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna just put this on top, because I'm not gonna just put it like on there, but I'll make sure that I get some of the moisture out of this shirt and wherever it's gonna be at. So we'll be back. Okay, so now I'm gonna use my three fingers and spread it out so that I know where to put this at. My sister, when she did do these, she taught me how to do that. And yeah, so this is what we got right here. Right here is what we have. So make sure that is right and not crooked. So we're gonna do it like this. And we're gonna put this over it. And then put this on top. And then we're gonna push the button so it can be, it's a timer on there. So this is what we have. I'm gonna take it off, and what we're gonna do is wait for it to be a cold peel, because if you pull it off while it's hot, it's gonna mess it up. So we're gonna wait till it's a cold peel, and yeah. Okay, so now it's cold where it's warm. Cold. It's not hot like it was. But we're gonna go ahead and peel this off. Peel it right on off. And then we're gonna take this again, and we're gonna put this back on here for 45 seconds. I always hold it down like this, but then I don't have to. But I make sure I put pressure to it so it can be in act right. So I'll be back. Okay, so it's done now. And let's see the final results of. Okay, so this is what I got right here. Cute. I like. So what I'm going to do now is fold it on up. Fold it up so it won't get messed up or anything. What I'm going to do. So it'll be like this. Then put it in this plastic right here. Put it in this plastic and do it like this. Boy.
You're not gonna just call me stink. Because he thinks I'm stinky.
And then we're gonna close it up. Just like that. So we have Betty boot, shirt, red shirt. Then we have the lipstick. Then we have the bracelet. But like I said, whoever these belong to, I need the real address. I have it like this for probably about, I don't know. If not, I will be putting it back in my inventory. So I need the right address. If you on here and you ordered from me on my website, I need the right address. I don't like scammers. I don't like none of that. So, I mean, your choice. And I don't do refunds. So, y'all choice. But it's just like if y'all had a business and somebody go and order something from y'all and they don't put the right address and stuff, you send it off. Well, you can't send it off because it's not no address. So you looking it up and it's not on there, and it give you somewhere else that it's really at. No, y'all wouldn't like that. So like I said again, I need it. Need it. So this is the end of my video. I hope y'all enjoyed this video of me packing the orders and making a shirt. But make sure you like, share, subscribe. Hit that bell notification so you know when the next time I post another video. See you in the next video. In the next video, I'll be showing y'all how I do my hand sanitizer. Right here. I'll be showing y'all how to do these. Have a little on stuff to go with it. I have my hand sanitizer solution and all that. And I will be putting decals on here too. So it's in the next video. If y'all want to see it,